Hi guys, this is Naima and welcome to Foxy. Today I'm doing something super interesting, which is something that everybody, believe me, everybody wants to know, is how to apply fake eyelashes. So today I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about false eyelashes and applying mascara in general. I'm using these PAC eyelashes. So these are like number 57, super thin and super light, like for the ones who don't want really dramatic lashes. There are people who like it. I don't. I usually would probably use it at work or something, but for myself. And just remember something, I'm giving you a little heads up. I took years to wear my own false eyelashes. It's not easy. So for the ones who've been texting me and messaging me and been telling me that it's really hard and they can't get it right, believe me, it's a matter of practice. So this is what it looks like, and clearly this is your right and this is your left eye. That's how you hold it, not like this, you're gonna get it wrong, but facing this way, and this is your right and this is your left. So now when you pull the lash out, okay, it'll always be shorter on the inner corner. The first thing you need to know is measure and figure out if it fits your eye. So you just like randomly just place it. Okay, so this is slightly longer. Okay, you can't be putting the entire thing and sticking it all the way, and it's gonna poke you like on the inner corner of your eye. So it needs to be a little away, starting from your actual lash line. So I'm gonna cut off a little. I always cut off a little even when I'm working, because I just feel like the inner corner tends to poke the eye a lot. Okay, so I have like not made it half, but like almost. Anyway, so I'm using the Duo glue, which is the best glue in the world. Okay, there is no other glue that I have used that has been better than this. The glues that come with these eyelashes and stuff, they don't work. It's Duo glue. Duo glue is what you need to have. Okay, so I'm gonna first of all take the glue, a little glue out on my hands like this, and then, very important, do not apply the glue directly on the eyelash. I think that is the mistake that most people are making, and then it becomes very difficult to apply because there's a lot of glue and you don't realize it. So once you've taken a little glue on your hand, at the back of a pencil or a brush, I'm going to take the glue on it, and I'm going to literally apply glue here like this on this skeleton like that. Now remember, most important, which people are not doing because they don't know, it's okay, is you need to let the glue dry a little bit. Okay, now application. Mirror, obviously. You have to place it very, very close to your lash line. Okay, like your actual lashes and your false lashes have to look like one. So very, very close to your lash line, more towards the outside, because it just also looks better and it won't bother you. You need to just like make it sit on your lash line. Okay, make sure that the corners are stuck properly. Literally like this. I know it may seem easier and you might be thinking that I'm getting it right because this is what I do, but no, believe me, I struggled for years. It's a matter of practice. Do this every single day of your life and I promise you'll get it right. So I'm going to repeat the exact same step on this side. Just make it sit very, very, look down, it'll be easier. I mean, I know you want to look in the mirror, but slightly just look downwards. Okay, very, very close to your lash line, and you just kind of place it right there. For those who are doing this for the first time, you can also use like a tweezer, or there's this special thing that you get to pick up eyelashes and to place them. It's eventually how you place them, and remember, you have to let the glue semi-dry before you actually stick it. What happens is a lot of people apply the glue directly onto the lash and you don't realize that it's so wet, and then you're just going and sticking it there and it keeps moving. Make sure your ends are stuck properly. And this is how it looks. Now I'm using the Maybelline Pumped Up Mascara. Before you use mascara, it's very important to use an eyelash curler. So use an eyelash curler and make sure you take both of them in Just kind of pump it 3-4 times. You should ideally even use an eyelash curler even when you're not using false lashes. It just really looks nice. And then I'm gonna take mascara, remove the excess, and just kind of like just push it upwards, like just like scribble through. This is the most correct way of applying mascara. Because sometimes when we just do like one coat upwards, we tend to like miss a few lashes in between. Also, one more thing that really works is that you kind of put it on top of the lash. This gives it more volume and drama. This is what I've been doing for years, and since I love mascara, it's my most favorite makeup product. Also try sticking to waterproof mascara as much as you can, because you cry, one drop of water on your face, it's going to be all over. For more beauty videos, subscribe to Foxy. You can also follow me on Instagram as Makeup and Hair by Maliha. I'll see you soon. Maliha loves.